No one wants to see the effects of aging on their face, right? So hearing the words clear and brilliant to describe your skin probably sounds pretty good. Dr. Therese Stubbs of Therese Aesthetic Medicine here to tell us about this new laser that is doing just that. So good to see you, Dr. Ann.
Good to see you too.
So clear and brilliant is what it's called. Explain to us what it is.
It's basically a fractional laser, and what that means is it kind of pokes little laser holes in the face, for lack of a better term, and it doesn't peel the skin. It's called a non-ablative laser, so it doesn't peel it. It just puts that energy down in deep, and it rejuvenates the skin, basically minimizes pore size, and gets rid of maybe some of the summer pigment as well.
And we're going to check out some video of the procedure as you kind of explain to us this. And I love what you told me just before. You said, this is a perfect laser for me because I feel like I'm a wimp. And it's right, it doesn't take a lot of
I love this laser
downtime.
because you put a little numbing cream on the face. You're seeing a patient getting just the face cleansed here, and then we put some numbing cream on, and they relax for about 20 minutes while this cream numbs the surface of the skin. And the laser itself the treatment takes only about 15 minutes for the face, and it's just about 8 passes up and down across the face. And I'd like to analogize it to when your lawn gets aerated. I know maybe the company doesn't like that analogy, but it works for my patients. You're getting little tiny dots of laser energy, so your face looks a little bit red afterwards, but it certainly doesn't look peely or scary. You can put makeup on right afterwards too, which is huge for my patient population. They love it because they can put a little sunblock on, a little makeup, a little foundation, and they could go right back to work or social activities.
Right, nobody knows, that you've had anything done until they see those results and go, what did you do? Because
yes,
you look amazing.
It really kind of brightens the skin when we get that dullness after summer sun, maybe some pigment after summer sun, and it's wonderful for acne too. A lot of people struggle even their adult years with acne, so it helps that as well.
How long is somebody waiting until they see results? How many treatments do they typically need?
Typically, we do this in a series of 4 treatments, 1 a month. You will see a result even after 2 weeks after the first treatment, and then the next month it gets better and better and better. So 4 is what we kind of recommend, and all these before and after pictures you're seeing here after 4 treatments. So.
Okay. And then this is, you said, it's about 15 minutes each time, so it's a very...
Yeah, about 20 minutes of the numbing cream, and then the treatment itself on the face is about 15 minutes. Now, that said, people can do necks, they can do décolleté, they can do hands. So if you have a pigment issue or a texture problem on the neck or décolleté too, a lot of women feel that kind of this area is what ages them. They see a little bit of pigment or a little bit of fine lines and wrinkles in the décolleté or the neck area. We do those areas with the Clear and Brilliant as well.
Okay, so is that the only areas that people mostly treat? Is that the face? Are there any hands coming on? Because that's where all women are asking now.
Hands are a definite option too, because the crepiness of the skin that we see on the hands, that it succumbs to the sun too, and we don't often think about putting sunblock on our hands. So we get the sun damage and the brown spots. It's a wonderful treatment for that as well.
And how long are these results lasting?
Well, basically we put people on really good skincare with some Retin-A afterwards. The Retin-A tends to prolong it. We can't stop the hands of time, but we can certainly build more collagen and take the pigment off and restore the skin to maybe a 5 years before that kind of look.
Okay, perfect. So you have a great offer, as you always do when it comes to this. You want people to come in, get the free consultation, and then they get an offer for Daytime Columbus.
Right. If you're a daytime viewer, we're doing 30% off either one treatment or, better yet, the package, which really brings it down to a very affordable price. The package is, like I said, a series of 4. We have a new nurse practitioner working with us too, so she has Saturday hours that she can deliver this too. So we have evening and Saturday hours to see either myself or the nurse practitioner. Both are able to deliver the laser treatments, and I think your viewers are going to love it.
Okay, 30% off. There you go. All the contact information on the screen. So always good to see you, Dr. Ann.
Thanks for having me.